Hi guys, it's me again. And today in today's video, we are gonna talk about how to set up Node.js and Nextjs project. So I will start with Node.js, and so let's go to the Node.js website. So it's very straightforward. You will go to the Node.js website and just download the latest stable version from here, which is 18.13 right now. So it's downloaded. What I will do next is, so basically I am used on the Mac OS. So if you are on a window, I will create a separate video for you, but this one is only for the Mac users. So I'm gonna double click on this one, and it is gonna open up this pop-up, and I will click on continue, agree with this agreement, continue, and install. Let's wait for a moment and let it install. So it's done. So I will double check if Node.js is installed or not. So what I will do is that I will go to the terminal. I will open up a terminal again, and here I will type, yeah, so that means that this version of the Node.js is installed on my system. And what I do next is that I will go to the Nextjs website and I will set up Nextjs project for you guys. So I will click on getting started here, and right away. So there are two ways you can set up Nextjs project. One is automatic way. You will run a single command, and the Nextjs, that command will set up a Nextjs project for you. And the other one is a bit of the manual work where you will do some steps by yourself, and then you will be able to set up a project. But so for the starters, I will go ahead with the automatic setup. So I will just copy this command from here, and then I will go to the folder where I want to create my new project, and I will click new terminals at the folder, paste this command here and run it. It's going to take a little bit of time. I will go ahead with all of the default options, wait a little bit, and let it install all the dependencies. So it's done. So as the next step, what I will do, I will type ls and cd into this new project folder. And meanwhile, I will also open up this new project in the Visual Studio Code. So documents, YouTube, Nextjs in the code folder. Hey, so this is the new project we have created. So I will just open this one in the Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to run up the app to see if everything is set up correctly. So just run this command, it will run the project. And server started on this URL. So I will just copy this one and go back here, paste it here. Yeah, so we have successfully created a sample Next.js project. So that's it for this video. And in the next video, we are going to take a look like what is the meaning of different configuration and the different folders in this project means, and what is the purpose of them. So that's it for this video.